Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So we got our MSD box back from MSD. They tested our two-step and nothing was wrong with it. So it had to be in the wiring, and it was. I actually found what was wrong with it. So instead of tapping into the clutch, I am just going to throw it on a switch. I ordered a steering wheel switch from Motion Raceworks for like $100. The little green one. We're just gonna do it switch activated instead of clutch activated. So I went and bought a momentary switch from O'Reilly's just to I was gonna do it a while ago, so I just went and bought a momentary switch from O'Reilly's for like $7, and then I wired it in pretty simple for now. It's just to test it. I am not going to run it until that Motion Raceworks switch gets in here and I can wire it up, just for the simple fact that I don't want to drill any holes or anything. So for now it's just wired to test it out, but I did figure out what was wrong with it, and we will take a look at that. It was actually under the hood. So no matter what I would do, it would get to where it wanted to two-step, but it would just blow right past it. So after extensive looking online and then looking at the instructions, I decided to so the connectors that go on to your coil packs, I decided to turn those all around. I don't know why it worked, but it did. So we'll go take a look at that. I'll start the car up. Stupid fly. I don't like flies. And then we will I'll show you the two-step in action. So let's go take a look under the hood, and I'll show you exactly what I did. All right, let's get this out of the way. Look at those turbos. Those turbos look beautiful, beautiful. But anyway, this is where I have the box. I'm pretty sure that was in my last video. So what I actually did is I had to do, I don't know how this will be for others, but I have the red wire going into the gray wires. There we go. And then I have tan wires to black wires. And right now I'm just running a wire straight from the battery negative to the switch, and then the switch to the blue wire. And then I'm using this factory ground right here for the other side of the for the negative wire on the MSD box. But anyway, what I was saying is, so on the harness, see if we can get the sun out of there. So the harness, so you want the plain black side with the white connector. I had them reversed to where the connector was with this side right here with the little nipple looking thing, whatever you want to call it. I had all of them like that. I don't know what difference it makes, but apparently it does. So I went and I flipped all of these wires with flipped them around, so that way the white side was on the, I'll say the flat side without the little nipple hook thing, whatever you want to call it, latch. I did that, and once I did that, it worked. So I'll set the camera up and I'll get a little action. It's set at 4,000 RPMs right now. I might turn it down a little bit, just a little bit. 4,000 on stock axles and a stock drive shaft probably might not end well. So yeah, I'll get the camera set up and we'll start it up and we'll check it out. All right, so as you can see now, it is working pretty flawlessly. I hate this fly. This fly is literally bothering me. It won't leave me alone. But anyway, yeah, as you can see, it's fully functional now. So the whole time it was literally those coil packs, or the connectors for the coil packs were swapped around. So see if we can show you just how the switch is wired up. So if we come down here, you'll see my ghetto wired switch. Literally momentary switch from O'Reilly's. Blue wire, red wire. Red wire is actually going to ground up there under the battery, to the battery tray. But yeah, it was literally just that, coil packs, and now two-step works. So once that wire gets in for Motion Raceworks, we'll take the steering wheel apart and we'll put that together. And then MGW shifter is also on the way. Ordered that, so that should be here. They're behind a little bit, and probably gonna order a clutch. Need to get axles and a drive shaft. So yeah, so slowly the car is coming together. Been looking at Watson racing cages too. Trying to get this thing as safe too as I can. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope this helps anybody who is having the same problem as I am. I know I was literally scratching my head for hours today, back and forth between reading stuff online and coming to work on the car. So take a look at your coils, make sure they're, see how they're plugged in. If they're not plugged in the way that I showed you, plug them in that way and try it, and hopefully it works for you. So yeah, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. Tracks should be opening up here in Indiana, I think around the middle or end of May. So we will definitely be able to get out to some test and tunes and run it. So thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment. This fly is really killing me. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.